Hi students, welcome to my channel Doctor's Physics. In this video we are going to discuss about the relative motion in one dimension plane. Okay, now see here. What is relative motion? Relative motion. Okay, what is relative motion? Observe carefully. If I said my velocity is 10 meters per second, my velocity is 10 meters per second. What is the meaning of my velocity is 10 meters per second? The velocity, displacement, acceleration, these are vector quantities. That means they need some reference points. Now if I say my velocity is 10 meters per second, what is the reference point? The reference point usually will take the earth as a reference point. Therefore, if I say my velocity is 10 meters per second, that means the velocity of me with respect to the earth is 10 meters per second. That means usually if we are saying 10 meters per second, 20 meters per second, 100 meters, 100 meters per second square, these all are with respect to the ground. These are with respect to the surface of the earth. Okay, well done, good. Now I understood. Now observe carefully. What is the meaning of relative motion? I am moving forward with 10 meters per second. I am moving forward with 10 meters per second, and my friend is moving forward with 20 meters per second. Okay, I am moving forward with 10 meters per second, and my friend is moving forward with a velocity 20 meters per second. Okay, now observe carefully. If I am the observer, how I will see my friend is moving forward? Actually, my friend velocity is 20, my velocity is 10. But how I will feel? I will feel as if he is moving forward with 10 meters per second. That means the velocities will change with respect to the observers. That means that is nothing but the relative motion. The velocities of the bodies, the displacement of the bodies, the acceleration of the bodies will change relative to the observers. If the observer velocity is different, then the observer will feel as if the body is moving with different velocity than the usual. That means always remember that the relative velocity of B with respect to A is given by VBA. VBA represents the relative velocity of B with respect to A. Now, which is nothing but is equal to VB minus VA. Always the first time will come first and second time will come second. Therefore, what is VBAB? The relative velocity of A with respect to B, where B is observer. Here, relative velocity of B with respect to A, that means A is observer, is nothing but VA minus VB. I think these are clear. Please remember these terms. If you write reverse, answer will be wrong. Please be careful. Okay. Now observe carefully what I am doing. Okay, see here. The position of A at time t equal to 0. The position of A at time t equal to 0 means the initial position of A is this much, xA is 0, and the position of A at time t equal to t. That means after some time the position of the A is somewhere there. The position is given by xA of t. Same way for B. The position of B, initial position is xB of 0, and the initial position of B is, the final position of B is xB of t. Okay. Now, what is the relative position of B with respect to A? That means xBAT. What is the meaning of this? The relative position of B with respect to A after some time, okay, at time t. What is the meaning of this? The relative position of B with respect to A. That means both initially my position is A, my friend position A. What is the relative position between us? The relative position between us is 0. Now, after some time, 1 second, I am standing here itself, my friend moved forward by 10 meters. What is the relative position of him with respect to me? With respect to me, he is forward by how much? 10 meters. That means the relative position of my friend with respect to me is 10 meters. Okay, positive 10. Now, what is the relative position of me with respect to him? I am back of him by 10 meters. After 1 second, he is forward, he is there 10 meters far, and I am here. After now, what is the relative position of me with respect to my friend? My friend will feel as if I am moving, I am back of him. That means the relative position of me with respect to my friend is minus 10 meters. Minus and plus here denotes me the direction. Please be careful. Now first here, what is the meaning of this? Xb of t is nothing but, what is this? Xb of t. Xba of t is nothing but xbt minus xa of t. The same thing what I used. Vba is equal to Vb minus Va. In physics everywhere the Vba is equal to first term will be B and second term will be A. Therefore xbt minus xat, which is nothing but, what is xbt? What is the position of B after some time? The position of B after some time is equal to initial position of B plus velocity of B into time. And what is the final position of A after some time? That is nothing but initial position of A plus velocity of A into time. Keep it there. How much you will get? Finally you will get as xb of 0 minus xa of 0 plus vb minus va of t. Just if I keep here, if I take comma, I will get these things. What is xb of 0 minus xa of 0? It's nothing but xba 0 plus vba into t. This is the final thing you will get. That means, what is the meaning of this? The final position of B with respect to A is equal to the initial position of B with respect to A plus the relative velocity of B with respect to A into time. Now please remember this equation. You will get a clear clarity of this equation when you are solving the problems. If it is not clear now, don't worry. When you are solving the problems, you will get a full clarity. Okay, please remember this. And now, if by chance Vb is equal to Va, now say me, what is the meaning of this? The velocity of B is equal to velocity of A. What is relative velocity? Vba is equal to how much? Vb minus Va is equal to 0. If both the velocities are same, then the relative velocity of B with respect to A. I am moving forward with 10 meters and my friend is also moving forward with 10 meters. How I will feel as if my friend is moving? I will feel as if my friend is not moving with respect to me. That means the relative velocity between me and my friend is 0. If both are moving with same velocity, I will feel as if my friend is not moving. Therefore, the relative velocity between us is 0. Okay. Now, if the relative velocity is 0, therefore, what is the meaning? xba of t is equal to, this will be 0. Therefore, xba of 0. What is the meaning of this? The relative displacement, the relative position between B and A is equal to, after some time, is equal to initial relative displacement. That means here, both the bodies are here, A, B. After the velocity of this is 10, here the velocity of B is also 10. After 1 second, where the bodies will be? After 1 second, the body is somewhere here. Here the B also somewhere here. Now what is the relative position between them? Here initially both are at same position. And finally also after some time also they both are at same position. That means if the relative velocity between them is same, then the relative displacement, the relative positions also will be same after some time. That means the graph will be like this. See the graph. This is displacement and this is time. Initially the A is here and the B is here. Both are having same velocity. In xt graph, what is the velocity? Velocity is nothing but the slope of the graph. Velocity is constant, that means the slope is constant, it means straight line. The A is moving with certain velocity and the B is also moving with the same velocity. If they are moving with the same velocity, what is the meaning? The slope of their velocities are same. Now see, initially the distance between them is this much. After some time the displacement between them is same. After some time the displacement between, that means the relative displacement between them won't change. Everywhere the distance will maintain will be same. Everywhere the distance maintained will be same. Here the displacement between them is 10 centimeters. After 1 second it will be 10. After 1 second it will be 10. After 10 seconds it will be 10. That means the relative position, if the velocities are same, the relative position won't change. This is a graph representing this one. Va is equal to Vb. The relative position won't change. Final relative position is equal to initial relative position. Okay. No, by chance, if Vb is greater than Va, if Vb is greater than Va, Now see here, there are two possibilities. I am taking xt graph. Now initially the body A is here and initially the body B is here. The relative position between them is, what is the distance between them? That is x BA of 0. That is the relative position. That is the relative position between B and A. Okay. Now VB is greater than VA. That means the velocity of A, B is greater than velocity of A. That means the slope of B must be greater than slope of A. That means the slope of A is like this. The velocity of A is this one, and the velocity of the velocity of B is this one, and the velocity of A is this one. See here. The slope for velocity, the slope is less. For B, the velocity is more. Slope is more. That means the velocity of A is less and compared to the velocity of B. Now, will they meet any time? Will they meet at any time? Will they meet at any time? They won't meet. Therefore, they won't meet. Please remember this. Now, see here. What is the meaning? See here. I will make it simple. See here. Initially, the body A is here, and the body B is this much extra than A. That means the body B is here. Now, the body is moving with more velocity. It is moving with 10 meters per second, and the A is moving with 5 meters per second. Say me whether they can A can catch the B. The A can't catch the B. They won't meet at any time because it is moving with 10 meters per second. It is moving with 5 meters per second, and already the B is ahead by A. Therefore, they won't meet at any time. Therefore, this graph is representing me that they won't meet at any time. Now, if by chance the same graph, this is B and this is A. That means this graph represents me the B is here and the A is here. The B is here, the A is here. Now the B is moving, the velocity of B is greater than the velocity of A. That means the velocity of B is greater than the velocity of A. That means 10 meters per second is 5 meters per second. Now say me, what is the velocity of B with, what is the velocity of A with respect to B? What is the velocity of A with respect to B? VAB. VA minus VB. There is nothing but 5 minus 10 is minus 5. What is the velocity of B with respect to A? That is VB minus VA. That is nothing but 10 minus 5. That is nothing but 5 meters per second. Now see, observe carefully. What is the meaning of this? The velocity of A with respect to B. That means if the B is observer, the B will feel as if the A is moving this side with 5 meters per second. That means negative. Negative. Now if velocity of B with respect to A, that means A is observer. If A is observer, what is the meaning? As if the A will feel, if A is at rest, A will feel as if the B is coming forward with 5 meters per second. That means towards it by 5 meters per second. If the velocity of B is greater than velocity of A, after some time, the B will catches the A. That means here, velocity of B is greater, that means slope is like this, more. And the slope of A is less, because the velocity is less, the slope is less. Somewhere they are going to meet, at some time t. Somewhere they will meet for sure. If this is the condition, they won't meet any time. But here, if this is the condition, they will meet after some time t. They will meet after some time t. That means at that point, at the time of t, x BA of t is equal to 0. This will become 0. Final relative position between them will become 0 when they are colliding. Okay. Now we will see one more. Okay, now see here. I will make it very simple. Observe carefully. Okay, now see here. Both the A and B, both are initially at same position. Now the A is going with 10 meters per second and the B is moving with 5 meters per second. After some time, where the bodies will be? After some time, A will be here and B will be somewhere here. A will be here and B will be somewhere here. Because A is traveling with more velocity. Okay. Again, after some time, the A will be here and the B will be here. Now, what if VBA, that means VB minus VA. Now what is the meaning of this? The velocity of B with respect to A. A is the observer. If A is the observer, I should feel as if the A has to be at rest. If A is at rest, now how the B? The B is, I will feel as if if A is at rest, I will feel as if the B is moving away, backside. That means 5 minus 10 is equal to minus 5 meters per second. That means if A is the observer, if I am moving on bike, if I am moving on bike with 10 meters per second, my friend is coming back on, my friend also started with 5 meters per second. After 1 second, I will feel my friend is somewhere there. After again 2 seconds, I will feel as if my friend is somewhere far. After 10 seconds, I will feel as if my friend is somewhere back. That means I will feel as if my friend is moving backwards. That means same thing here. The velocity of B with respect to A is minus 5. That means I will feel, the A will feel as if the B is moving backwards. Therefore it is minus 5. Now, what is the meaning of this? VAB. Velocity of A minus B. Now here, I am A and my friend is B. I am moving with 10 meters per second, my friend is moving with 5 meters per second. After 1 second, where I will be? I will be there, my friend is somewhere here. I will be there, my friend is somewhere here. After again 10 seconds, I will be somewhere far and my friend will be somewhere here. That means, how my friend will see me? My friend will see me as if I am moving very far when compared to him. That means the velocity is positive. That means plus 5 meters per second. Here my friend is a observer. He must assume me as if he is at rest. If he assumes he is at rest, then I will move with the velocity of this much. Okay, I think this is clear. What is the meaning of relative velocities? Okay, I think this is enough, and we will see the problems. Okay, we will see the first problem. Okay, before solving problems, we will see one more small concept. When both the bodies are traveling in opposite direction, what will happen? See here, the body A is traveling with a velocity 10 meters per second, and the body B is moving in opposite direction of B with a speed 5 meters per second. That means the velocity is minus. Minus and plus denotes me the direction. Plus means in what direction? A, B. Minus means another direction. Now what is the relative velocity of B with respect to A? That is VB minus VA. That is nothing but minus 5 minus of 10. That is minus 15 meters per second. Now what is the relative velocity of A with respect to B? That is VA minus VB. That is nothing but 10 minus of minus 5 is 10 plus 5. That is 15 meters per second. Now what is the meaning of this here? The relative velocity of B with respect to A. That means A is the observer. If A is the observer, now how A will feel as if the body B is moving? See here, I am moving forward with 1 meters per second and my friend is moving forward with 1 meters per second. If I am the observer, how my friend is moving, how I will feel as if my friend is moving? I will feel as if my friend is moving with 2 meters per second. Because he is moving forward with 1, I am moving forward with 1. That means I will feel as if he is coming towards me with 2 meters per second. The same thing. The velocity of B with respect to A is minus 15 meters per second. That means the A will feel as if the B is moving towards it with a speed minus 15 meters per second. Now, how the velocity of A with respect to B, if B is observer, how the B will feel? The B will feel as if the A is moving forward with 10 and this is also moving forward with 5. Therefore, how will this will feel? This will feel as if the A is coming forward with a velocity 15 meters per second, this direction. See, when two particles are moving like this, if they collide, the velocity of collision won't be that much. If two bodies are coming like this, if they collide, the velocity of collision will be more because both are moving in opposite direction. Therefore, the relative velocity will be more. If they are moving in the same direction, the relative velocity will be less. Now see here. If both the bodies are moving in the same direction, 20 and this is 10. Okay, now see here. The body is moving with 10 meters per second. The body B is here, the body A is here. Now what is the time for the A to catch B? What is the time for A to catch B? Somewhere the time will be some 10 seconds, assume. Somewhere the time will be some 10 seconds. Now if A is moving same in this direction with the speed 20 and the B is moving from here with the speed 10, what is the time for A to catch B? The time will be very, very less. The A is coming 20, the B is coming 5. They will meet very fastly when compared to the previous one. the time of collision will be 1 second or 2 seconds. That means here the relative velocity is more. That means both individual bodies will feel as if the other body is moving with more speed. But here, when they are in the same direction, the relative velocity will be less. If the relative velocity is less, each individual body will feel as if the other body is moving with less speed. Okay. Okay, now see here. I am moving in a train. I am moving in a train, and some other train is moving side to me. Okay, I will feel as if the train is moving very slowly. Because both the trains are moving in same direction. But if I am moving in this direction, my train is moving in this direction. But if other train comes in this direction, opposite direction, you will feel as if the other train is coming very fastly. Even though its velocity is less, but you will feel as if the train is coming very fastly, because that velocity you will feel your velocity plus the time velocity. If both are moving in opposite direction, the velocity you will feel as if the velocity of both added. But if you are moving in same direction, then the velocities you will feel the velocity is subtracted. That means you will feel this body is moving very slowly. 20, this 10. You will feel as if this body is moving 10. If it is 10, 20, you will feel as if this body is coming with 30. That means if the same direction, the relative velocity is less. If they are in opposite direction, the relative velocity is more. Okay, now see the first question. The car is starting from rest. The car is starting from rest with the initial velocity, okay, with the acceleration a. The car is starting from with acceleration a. At the same point and at a same instant, the bike crosses the car with uniform velocity u. That means this is the car is just now started. It is moving with some acceleration with initial velocity 0. Now when the car is starting, at the same time this bike will cross the car with the initial velocity with a uniform velocity u. Now find the time of collision, and find the velocity of bike with respect to car. Now see here, what is the answer? See here, when initially the car is moving like this, and the same time the bike also crosses the point. That means both are starting in the same position, and the bike is moving with initial velocity u, and the car is moving with initial velocity 0, and it is moving with the acceleration 0. That means uniform velocity. Everywhere the bike is moving with a constant velocity, but the car, the acceleration they gave as a. That means slowly the car velocity will be gradually increasing, and the bike is moving very fast like this. The car increases speed, and then somewhere they will meet. What is the meaning that? The displacement traveled by the car in time t, the displacement traveled by the car must be equal to the displacement traveled by the bike. If the displacement traveled by the car and if the displacement traveled by the bike, if both are same, that means they are colliding at that point. Therefore, what is the displacement traveled by the car? C is equal to ut plus half at square. And what is the initial velocity of car? 0 plus half at square. Now, what is the displacement traveled by the bike? Displacement traveled by the bike is acceleration is 0. That means displacement is velocity into time. Therefore, u into t. Therefore, equate them. How much you will get? Half at square is equal to ut. Therefore, t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 2u by a. At time t equal to 0 they will meet, and at time t equal to 2u by a they will meet. Therefore, this one we won't take. Initially we won't take. This condition I am taking. The time at which they will meet is 2u by a. The time at which they collide is 2u by a. At the time of collision, the displacement traveled by the car and displacement traveled by the bike must be same. Therefore, I equate the displacement, I got the time. Okay. Now that at this time, what is the velocity of bike? At this time, what is the velocity of bike? The velocity of bike is, the acceleration is 0. That means the velocity is same everywhere. Therefore, the velocity of bike is u. Now at this time, what is the velocity of car? Initial velocity is 0, but final acceleration is therefore what you can use? U plus at. Initial velocity is 0, but acceleration is a. What is the time? 2u by a. Therefore, the velocity of the car at this time is 2u. Therefore, what they told to find? They told to find velocity of bike with respect to car. That means Vb minus Vc. That is nothing but u minus 2u. That is minus u. That is minus u meters per second. What is the meaning of minus u? What is the meaning of minus u? The velocity of bike with respect to car. That means the car is observer, and how the car will feel? The car will feel as if the bike is moving backside. That means minus 4 meters, minus u meters per second. Now what is the velocity of car with respect to bike? That is plus u. That is meters per second. If it is minus, this will be plus. That means the velocity of car with respect to bike. If bike is observer, how the bike will feel? The bike will feel as if the car is moving forward with a velocity u meters per second. If car is observer, the car will feel as if the bike is moving backward with a velocity minus 4 meters per second. Please see the answers carefully. Minus, plus. Minus and plus denotes me the direction. These directions are very important. The B will feel as if the car is moving forward. The B will feel as if the car velocity is u more than B. Velocity of car is 2u, velocity of B is u. It means my velocity is 10, my friend velocity is 20. I will feel as if my friend is moving with a velocity 10. Therefore plus. Now my friend will feel as if my velocity is minus 10. Therefore velocity of y with respect to car is minus u. Please be careful. Okay, we will see next one more problem. Okay, see here. In two parallel tracks, the train A is moving with a velocity 15 meters per second north direction, and train B is moving with a velocity 25 meters per second in south direction. Now find the velocity of B with respect to A. Second one, find the velocity of ground. Find the velocity of ground with respect to B. And next one, velocity of monkey. The velocity of monkey running on the rooftop of the train A. Running on the rooftop of the train A opposite to the motion. Therefore, velocity of monkey with respect to train A is 5 meters per second. As observed by the person standing on the ground. Now see, this is the question. Read the question once again. In two parallel tracks, the train A is moving with 50 meters per second north direction, and train B is moving with a speed 25 meters per second south direction. That means these are two parallel tracks. In these tracks, the velocity of A, that means train is moving north direction with velocity 15 meters per second, and the train B is moving south direction with the velocity 25 meters per second. Now what is the velocity of B with respect to A? Now I am assuming north means positive and south direction means negative. That means the train which is moving this is plus 15 meters per second, and the velocity of the train B which is moving south is minus 25 meters per second. Plus denotes me north, and minus denotes me south. Now what is the first answer? The velocity of B with respect to, that means VB minus VA. That means how much? VB is how much? Minus 25 minus of what is the way? A is nothing but minus 15. Therefore Therefore, minus 25 minus 15, how much? Minus 40 meters per second. What is the meaning of that? The velocity of B with respect to A. The velocity of B with respect to A. That means A is the observer. That means train A is the observer. The observer is in the train A. I will feel the person who is in the train A, he will feel as if the train B is coming downwards with the speed opposite direction, right? That means the relative velocity will be added. The person who is in the train A, he will feel as if the train B is coming downwards with the speed minus 40 meters per second. Minus denotes me south direction. I am in the train A, I will feel as if the train B is moving towards me with the speed 40 meters per second. Towards me means it is south direction. Therefore, south means minus 40. Okay, well and good. Now, velocity of ground with respect to B. Velocity of ground with respect to B. That is nothing but Vg minus Vb. That is nothing but what is the velocity of ground? 0. And what is the velocity of B? What is the velocity of train B? That is nothing but minus 25. That is nothing but plus 25 meters per second. Now, what is the meaning of CI? I am moving in the train. This is south direction. I am moving in the train. This I am moving in a south direction. When I am moving with the south direction, how I will feel the person who is standing on the ground, how the person will feel as if I am moving? The person who is standing on the ground, the person will feel as if I am moving with 25 meters per second, that side, south direction. Okay, well and good. But how I will feel the person who is standing on the ground will move? I will move as if the person who is standing on the ground will move as if he is moving backwards. Can you feel that? If you are standing here, you will feel when the train is moving like this, you will feel the surroundings will moving backwards. That means if you feel as if the train is positive this side, you will feel the surroundings are moving backwards. That means the velocity is negative. The same thing. When the train is moving southwards, the person who is in the train will feel as if the surroundings are moving upwards. That means south means downwards means south, upwards means north. Therefore, the velocity of ground with respect to the train B. That means the person who is in the train B, he will feel as if the ground is moving north direction. That means plus 25 meters per second. The train is moving south, but the person who is in the train will feel as if the ground is moving upwards. That means north direction. That is plus 25 meters per second. Okay, these two are easy. Well and good. Now, third question. Observe this question carefully. The velocity of the monkey running on the rooftop of the train A opposite to the motion, and the relative velocity of monkey with respect to train A is 5 meters per second. As they told to find the velocity of the monkey with respect to the person standing on the ground. That means simply they told to find the velocity of the monkey with respect to the ground. Okay, what they gave in the questions here? This is a train. This is a train A, and this train A is moving with a speed 15 meters per second in north direction. Okay, well and good. Now, how the monkey is running on the rooftop? The monkey is running on the rooftop with the velocity, the relative velocity of monkey with respect to train A. That means, if I am in the train A, I will feel as if the monkey is moving in this direction. I am moving in that direction. I will feel as if the monkey is moving in this direction with the speed 5 meters per second. That is what is the meaning. The velocity of monkey with respect to A is how much? 5. But if I assume the velocity of train is 15 north positive, then the monkey is on the rooftop, it is moving in this direction. With what velocity? Minus 5. Minus 5 meters per second. Therefore, Vm minus Va is equal to minus 5. What is the velocity of monkey? The velocity of monkey is minus 5 plus Va. There is nothing but minus 5. Va is how much? 15. Plus 15 is how much? Plus 10 meters per second. Plus means north direction. What is the velocity of monkey? The velocity of monkey is nothing but velocity of monkey with respect to ground. This is the answer they have to find. Now simple, very simple. Understand, try to imagine. This is a train A. This train A is moving like this. And you are seeing this train A is moving with a speed 15 meters per second. Well and good. You are seeing as if the train A is moving with a speed 15 meters per second. Okay. Now there is monkey on the top. This monkey is moving forward with 5 meters per second on the train. The train is moving 15 meters. The monkey is moving 5 meters. With what speed you will feel the monkey is moving? 15 meters, the monkey is moving 5 meters. You will feel as if the monkey is moving that side with 10 meters per second. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? Train 15, the monkey forward 5. And you will feel as if the monkey is moving backwards this side by 10 meters per second. The same thing happened. Therefore, the velocity of monkey with respect to the ground, that means the velocity of monkey with respect to you guys, how much? 10 meters per second, north direction. Train moving 15 meters north and the monkey is moving 5 meters south. The train is moving 15 steps forward, the monkey is moving 5 steps forward. How you will feel? You will feel as if the monkey moved 10 steps forward. That means 10 meters per second. I think this is clear. Just imagine, if you imagine, keep yourself as the observer. If you keep yourself as the observer, you can imagine everything, how the bodies are moving. If you can imagine yourself as the observer, and you must be at rest. If you imagine, then you will get all the answers in the relative motion. It's a very simple question. Okay, we'll see one more question. Okay, see here. The thief, okay, the body A is at a distance 100 meters head to body, head to body B. The velocity of A is 10 meters per second and the velocity of B is 15 meters per second. Find the time when the two bodies will meet and find the total distance traveled by the body B. This is the question. Now see the question. Just read the question what they gave. The body A is at a distance 100 meters head to the body B. That means the body B is here and the body A is here. The body B is here, the body A is here. What is the distance between them? The distance between them is 100 meters. Okay. The final velocity, the velocity of VA is 10 meters per second and the velocity of B is 15 meters per second. Now they told to find the time when the bodies will meet. Now imagine, what is the equation? We studied the equation, that is velocity x of BA t is equal to x of BA 0 plus VBA into t. Remember this. What is this? The relative position between the two bodies at time t is equal to the relative position of the two bodies at time 0. That means initial position into plus VBA. That means the relative velocity of B with respect to A into time. Now use the same equation. Now when they are colliding, when they are meeting each other, what is the relative position between them? When they are meeting each other, the relative position between them is 0. 0 is equal to, what is the relative position between them? That means XBA is nothing but XB minus XA. What is XB? B is at here. Assume it is 0. Minus XA is 100 meters away. Therefore 100. Therefore minus 100. Therefore minus 100 plus. What is the velocity of B with respect to A? That means VBA is equal to VB minus VA. How much? How much? VB is 15 and VA is 10. Therefore 5 meters per second. 5 meters per second into time. Therefore time is 100 by 5 is nothing but 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, both the bodies will meet. Okay, I can do the same thing in another method. What is the method C? It is clear, right? We will see another method here. It's very simple. What's the distance between them? Distance between them is 100 meters. Now see here, with what extra velocity the B is moving? The B is moving with extra velocity of 50 minus 10 is 5. The B is moving with the extra velocity of 5 meters per second. The B is moving with extra velocity of 5 meters per second. What is the time of the body? Distance I got 100. What is the extra velocity? That is 5. What is the time? Displacement by velocity is 100 by 5, that is 20 meters. 20 seconds. That's all. If both the bodies has to meet, the body B has to meet the body A with what extra velocity? It is moving with 10, it is moving with 5, 15. That means this B is having extra velocity of 5. With that 5 velocity only, the body has to catch the body A. Therefore, I can assume this velocity is 0 and I can assume this velocity is 5. That's all. The body is at rest and the body is moving with the velocity 5. What is the distance? 100. Therefore, distance is velocity is displacement by time. 100 by 5 is nothing but time, you got 20 seconds. I can assume it as 10, 15, or I can assume this is as 0 and I can assume this is as 5. That means the body, I can feel as if the body is at rest and the body B is moving with the velocity 5 meters per second towards the body A. Therefore, to cover this much of distance, how much time, what is the time taken by the body B? 20 seconds. Okay. Okay, well and good. The time taken is 20 seconds. In that 20 seconds, what they told? Find the total distance traveled by the body B. That means in that 20 seconds, what is the distance traveled by the body? The distance traveled by the body is velocity into time. That means velocity is how much? What is the velocity of B? The velocity of B is 15. What is the time? 220. That means nothing but 300 meters. In that time, 20 seconds, the body B traveled 300 meters. Now, what is the distance traveled by the body A? What is the velocity of body A? That is 10 into what is the time? 20. That is nothing but 200 meters. That means the body B is here, the body A is here. When both the bodies are colliding, both the body A and both the body B are here. This distance is 200 meters and this distance is 300 meters. That's all. The total distance traveled by the body B before collision is 300. The total distance traveled by the body A before collision is 200. That's all. I think this question is clear. Okay, we'll see one more question. Last question. A graphical method. A small graph question. A small graph question. Okay, now see. Okay, see the graph. Displacement versus time graph. 10, 20, 30, 40. This is a graph for the body A and this is a graph for the body B, and they are meeting at a time 3 seconds. They are meeting at the time 3 seconds. Now the velocity of A and this is graph B. The velocity of A is 20 meters per second. The velocity of B is 10 meters per second. Find the position of their meeting. That's all. Find the position of their meeting. That means they told to find this position. That means they told to find this x. Now, first case, when both are moving in same direction, and in second case, when both are moving in opposite direction. Okay, now see, I will take the first case, that is both are moving in same direction. That means the body A is moving like this and the body B also moving like this. Okay, now see, what is the initial position? What is the velocity of A? It's 20. What is the velocity of B? 10. What is the initial position of A? The initial position of A is how much? Initial position of A is at time t equal to 0. What is the position of A? 10. What is the initial position of B? That is, what is the time t equal to 0? What is the initial position of B? The position of B is 40. Now, they told to find the position of meeting. When they are meeting, what is the relative position between A and B? X, B, A of t, how much? 0. When they are meeting, the relative position between them is, my and my friend we both are running and we both are meeting at some point. What is the relative position between them? The relative position between us is 0. And therefore, the relative position is 0. Now use the formula. What is that formula? XBA of t is equal to XBA of 0 plus VBA of t. Remember this equation? Now it is equal to 0. What is XB of 0? That is XB of 0 minus XA of 0 plus VB minus VA into t. VA into t. Therefore, what is XB as? XB of is 40. 0 is equal to 40 minus, what is this? 10 plus, what is VB? VB is 10, while VA is 20. Therefore, 10 minus 20 is minus 10 into t. Therefore, how much? 0 is equal to 30 minus 10t. Therefore, t is equal to how much? 30 by 10 is 3 seconds. Okay, already they gave 3 seconds. Okay, well and good. Now, what they told to find? They told to find the position of meeting. Okay, I got t is equal to 3 seconds. Already they gave in the question itself. Well and good. Now they told to find the position. In time in time 3 seconds, what is the position of body B? The position of body B is initial position plus velocity of B into t. Final position at time t is equal to 3 seconds is what is the initial position of B? The initial position of B is 40 plus what is the velocity of B? 10 into time is 3 seconds. Therefore 40 plus 30 is nothing but 70 meters. Now at time t is equal to 3 seconds, what is the position of A? There is xa of 0 plus Va into t. What is the initial position of A? The initial position of A is 10 plus velocity of A is 20 into 3, that is 10 plus 60, that is nothing but 70 meters. That means that both the final position of A and B at time 3 is equal to 3 seconds is 70 and 70. What is the relative position between them? The relative position between them is 0. That means both are 70, 70. That means both are meeting. Therefore, the position of meeting is at 3 seconds and the distance traveled by the body is 70 meters, 70 meters. When both are traveling in same direction, when both are traveling in opposite direction, what we have to do? Now see here. When both are traveling in opposite direction, what we have to do? XBA of t must be equal to XBA of 0 plus VBA of t. Will you accept this? Okay, the same equation I am using when both are moving in opposite direction. Therefore, see here. When both are moving in opposite direction, the position of the meeting, that means XBA of t must be equal to 0, must be XP minus XA, that is nothing but 40 minus 10 plus VB minus VA into t. Now I am assuming both are moving in opposite directions. If I assume one velocity is 20 plus 20, the other velocity has to be minus 10. Both are moving in opposite directions. Therefore, 0 is equal to 40 minus 10 plus minus 10 minus of 20 is into t. Therefore, what is the answer? 0 is equal to 30. 40 minus 10 is 30 plus minus 10 minus 20 is equal to t. Therefore, t is equal to how much? 30 minus 30, 30 by 30 is 1 second. That means the velocity of A is 20, the velocity of B is 10. B is ahead like this. Now if both are moving in same direction, to meet each other they took 3 seconds. If both are moving in opposite directions, what is the time taken to meet? The time taken to meet is 1 second. Now in 1 second, what is the position of A? Therefore position of B at time t, that means 1 second. It is initial position of B plus VB into t. What is this? The position of B is 40 plus what is velocity of B? Velocity of B I took as minus 10. Minus 10 into t. Therefore 40 plus minus 10 into 1 is minus 10. Therefore 30 meters. Therefore if I take position of A at 0 plus VA into t. Therefore what is the position of A is 0. At time t equal to what is the position of A? That is 10. Plus what is the velocity of A? Velocity of A I took as 20 into time is 1. Therefore 10 plus 20 is 30 meters. That means the graph will be like this. This is the velocity of A, it won't change. But the velocity of B is negative, that means the graph will be like this. Both will meet at time t is equal to 1 second. These are the graphs and both are in same direction. Velocity is positive, and this is the graph and both are in opposite direction. This is positive velocity and this is negative velocity. And they are meeting at time t is equal to 1 second. And the position of meeting is 30 seconds. 30 meters. And here the position of meeting is 70 meters. That's all. I think this is clear. Okay. By this we completed the problems in relative motion, and in next video we will see the problems by using calculus. That means by using the problems by using integration and differentiation. And then if you guys are having any doubt, it may be any topic, maybe from 11th class topic, it may be from 12th class topic, please mention my mail or my WhatsApp number. Within 24 hours the doubts will be clarified. Thank you.